Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Roberts Stream 94 series Bluetooth radio and you need to do a hard reset to the factory settings on it. Now, you might want to do this for a couple of reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this radio is not connecting to Bluetooth, or it's not pairing with your device, or if it's not syncing or not working, or if it seems to be not responding or frozen, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, you will need to set it up again because it will be restored to its factory out-of-the-box default settings, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to wipe everything off of this so you can start fresh, this will do this and you can just set it up again. It's pretty easy to do. So once it's powered on, you're just going to come over and you're going to hit the menu button here. And from the menu button, it's going to open up a menu on the screen from which we're going to select System Settings. And after System Settings, Factory Reset. And then we'll just need to confirm it with a yes. Once that happens, the radio will reset and restart to its factory default settings.